Hello learners, welcome back to the class. So this is my second session and today we will learn NCERT Classics of Science textbook chapter 1 Food, where does it come from? So firstly, why do do we eat the same kind of food every day? No, absolutely the answer would be no. Yes, we eat a wide variety of delicious food every day. So, what are the things that are required to make a particular dish? That is ingredients. Yes, we use a wide variety of ingredients to make our food. Example, to make a curry, we need oil, vegetables, spices, salt, and many other things to make a curry. So, all these items are called ingredients. See, you can see different kinds of foods over here. So, yummy, yummy. So then we need different kinds of ingredients to make all these yummy food. Now, food materials and sources. Plants are the sources of food materials like grains, cereals, fruits, vegetables, and pulses. Animals provide us with milk, meat products, and eggs. We drink milk and we eat eggs, and mostly many would not be eating meat, but fewer do that. And cows, goats, and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. Of course, we don't drink goat milk. I have never seen anyone drinking goat milk, but we drink cows and buffaloes milk. And the milk and milk products, we make many things from milk. We make butter, we make cream, we make cheese. Wow. You know, Amul cheese and all this, and curd, dahi of course, and are all used worldwide. So the ingredients or the things, we get food materials all from different things. That is, we get this pulses, cereals, fruit and vegetables from the plants, while we get this milk, meat products and eggs from animals. So we get our ingredients or the main food from plants and animals. See, you can see the pictures of our milk givers or milk sources. That is the cow. Actually, the cow we see in India is not this, but this is a hybrid cow. This is also called Jersey cow. This is the buffalo. We will be finding it all over India. And the goat. So next, see, you can see the milk products: paneer, cheese, butter, cream, and many things. Now next is that plant parts and animal products as food. Earlier we learned that plants and animals give us the materials for food. Plants are also one of the sources of food. Some plants have two or more edible parts. Wait. What is an edible part? Yes, edible means eatable. You know, in a plant, there are many parts of the plant you have learned in your earlier classes. So, in each plants, we have each object or each part to eat. It is edible. So, they are called edible parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil and leaves are used as a vegetable. The seeds give us oil. And note, especially to the curious kids, please, of course, the kids are curious. Please do not try to taste unknown plants around you to see if they're edible, because sometimes some plants, they may be poisonous. Be careful. Just eat whatever your parents give. So in this chart you can see that there are different plants and different parts. See, this is a flower. Sometimes you can eat flower like a cauliflower or cabbage. Actually, it is a flower. And then you can have seeds like beans and all. And sometimes you can have fruit like tomatoes. And sometimes you will find people eating roots. Ma'am, why do we eat roots? Yes, you eat roots because the carrot, radish, onions, and potato, all these are roots of the plant which you get. And we eat leaves also. Leaves is like, you eat coriander, you eat spinach, you eat mint. These are all the leaves. And sometimes you eat the stems also. Now, you don't ask me what is the stem. Yes, we use stem. There is one plant which whole part is very useful for us. It is the banana plant. We eat bananas, we use banana flour for making curries, we eat food on the banana leaf, and we use its shoot, that is the stem or whatever the thing, the shoot, for various it is used in curries and it is used in many medicinal things also. Now this is activity 5 in your textbook, which you have to really try, and your mother will be more knowing it about it. That is making sprouts. Take some dry seeds of moong or chana. If now don't ask me that what is moong and chana, but you better ask your mom. And now put a small amount of seeds in a container and fill water in it and let it soak for a day. And next day drain the water. I mean, you remove the water completely and leave the seeds in a vessel and wrap a piece of wet cloth aside and put it aside, and you observe. What do you observe the next day? Yes, you observe these. See, this is called the moong dal and this is the chana dal. What are these white? Yes, a small white structure may be grown out of the seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. So these are called sprouts, which means that the seeds are sprouted. If they have not sprouted, you can put them and leave it in water for another day, but most probably the seeds would be sprouting within the second day as you just wrap it around a cloth. And then honey. Have you any time seen a beehive? If you're living in a villages and all, you would be definitely seeing in a beehive, and all the bees buzzing around it. Bees collect nectar. Ma'am, what is nectar now? Yes, nectar is a sweet juice from flowers. When I was young, I used to take there is one part of the plant which you learn in your higher classes, and if you start sipping, you like hibiscus plants. You ever take a hibiscus plant, remove that small strings there, you see coming between the petals, 5 petals, you see the strings. Pluck a string, and from the bottom just try to sip something, just suck it, you'll find a sweet juice. Yes, that is called nectar. Bees collect these nectar, and don't do it much, okay, it's not good. Bees collect this nectar and store it in the beehive. Ma'am, why are they storing? Flowers are, they can have their food freshly, no? No. Because these flowers contain their nectar only in some special season, only in, not all the time of the year, only in a particular time. So what they do is they all collect and store it and use it in the next when the nectar is not there. So this is the honey and this is the beehive. All the bees collecting the honey, I mean storing their nectar. And this, when we have go from this bee hive, we get this honey. The purest honey, the whatever the honey that you have will be getting in the markets, I don't say that is impure, but the actual honey from the nectar ones you have to taste. If you get a chance, please do it, but you don't throw stones to the nectar and then drink it, because it is very harmful. And okay, we eat these many foods. Now what does the animals eat? Animals, there are many animals which is different kinds of food. Animals that eat only plants and plant products are called herbivores, and animals that eat other animals as food are called carnivores, and animals that eat both plants and plant products include and also animals are called omnivores. So animals means you can include humans also, because humans have evolved from monkeys and monkeys are animals. So you can say humans are also animals. So there are few humans who do not eat other animals as food, like vegetarians you say, so they can be called as herbivores, and others like me who eat a non-veg are called omnivores. And I am an omnivore, but mostly generally everyone is an I feel that whether it is not or we are all human beings. And now these are the examples of herbivores. You can say deer, pandas, giraffe, elephant. They are all, you can see leaves around them, feeding them with leaves. So they are all herbivores. And the one who is very scared of blood and meat, please, I make sure that you do not see these pictures. That is the carnivores. You wolves, tiger, shark, because they all feed on different other organisms like wolves and all. You can see they feed on other animals. And omnivores. Omnivores is the bears, crows, humans of course. Bear feeds on veg and also non-veg. And then coming to the end of the chapter, see, we people are having sufficient food all over the world, but many amongst us are not having food. So please and please, just put in your plate as much as you want, and don't put extra. And greediness, no, just eat how much you want, and don't waste the food, please. And if you are not even liking the food, please put it, if the food is left over, please do not throw it in the dustbin. Put it on up to the terrace or on the road. Many stray dogs, many birds, they may be eating. And now it's quiz time. Let me ask you again a few questions. Now, first question: tiger eats only meat and so called carnivore. Exactly, option A, carnivore. Second question: which products does parrot eat? A, plant, B, animal, C, milk. Yes, option A, plant. From where do we get sugar? Option A, sugarcane. Option B, jaggery. Option C, animal. Yes, it is from A, sugarcane, not jaggery. Jaggery or khandasari, you say. And option 4, question 4, what are required for making a dish? Option A, ingredients. Option B, sprouts. Option C, nuts. And yes, it's option A, ingredients. And everyone, please let me try making sprouts and let me know in the comment section how you got the sprouts. And I hope now it's my time, puzzle time. So this is the picture. There is a rectangle box. There is the word stand, stand. So from this, find the word or phrase from the above picture. And again, I'm telling you it's an English word. So, English phrase or word. And waiting for the answer for the next question. From the previous question which I have asked you in NCERT Class 6 and Geography lesson number 1, our solar system, the answer is first aid. It's as simple as this. Please don't mind, my all questions would be like this only. First aid, because there are 3 aids in the question and the arrow mark is pointing towards the first aid word. So it's first aid. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and share to our channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon to get updated with our latest videos. And please try the sprouts and let me know in the comment section, and try the puzzle time question, answer it, and I would love to see your comments and answers. And if you want any better improvement from me on my side, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to develop myself and teach you better. Thank you so much.